As usual, we are being taken in circles. We went to the DCI headquarters, which was just sufficient to handle this matter because it is under the NPS, National Police Service. But they directed us that we come to Muthaiga Police Station, as Comrade has stated. We are here. They are still not interested in Oliver, and they are directing us that we have to go to Kisumu, where Oliver is required by the RCIO, Mr. George Mutonya. I want to state clearly that, Comrade, this George Mutonya is already conflicted. There's conflict of interest. Before we went to Homa Bay, he called my brother-in-law, Geoffrey. He called my brother-in-law, warning my brother-in-law that we should not step in Homa Bay. So he knew what was going to happen in Homa Bay. So George Mutonya, you must not take sides in this matter. It seems that the National Police Service Facebook page or social media handles are handled by a blogger that even the police can't understand, because when we are here, they don't know such an information that Oliver should report to any or the next police station. We are here. The next thing you will hear, because one Abdi was released to go and arrest Oliver from Nairobi region. Right now we are being told that he is being needed in Kisumu. Peter Kaluma today has issued a statement giving a list of people who should be arrested. Oneni venye hii nchi iko na wajinga kweli.